Hey guys, it's Mark, Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta, and today I got a really cool truck to talk about. I've got a 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed pickup truck, and this one is a little different because this one is packing a 454 big block engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. And I guess you noticed the bright red paint. It's got a slick red paint job with a white top, super cool houndstooth interior, upgraded tilt steering column, air conditioning, sits on 20-inch wheels with a Belltech suspension, drops spindles, shocks. This thing is nice. So enough about that. So we're driving the 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, and guys, I must say, this thing is strong. Just a super nice driving truck. Mechanically, this truck is just right. Keeping things in check in the dash. You got nice dolphin gauges, white face gauges, super nice. New steering column, tilt wheel, cold air conditioning, retro sound radio. This thing's got all the modern conveniences that you would need in a 66 Chevy pickup truck. But the best part is the big block engine under the hood. Making this a very streetable truck, and it could very easily be a daily driver, is the 4-speed automatic transmission. Just runs super smooth, super nice. It brakes nice and straight. It's just super civilized. But you do have that unique sound of a big block Chevy. There's nothing better to me. Oh, I love it. The interior has been completely redone. The bench seat is a nice black and white classic houndstooth interior. The cab has been painted red to match the exterior. And just a super nice street look on this truck. And again, the 20-inch wheels just gives it a really nice stance. And I like this steering wheel, very nice. And you'll notice attention to detail on this truck. Red carpet, and it's even got a billet gas pedal lever. So I mean, they've really done a lot of nice little touches to this truck. Nice subtle touches. And it's got some pep. Guys, I'm telling you, this thing can be driven every day. This is nice. No issues here. It's a nice fall day here in Georgia. Again, nice cold air conditioning. Just super nice. Doesn't get any better than the 1966 Chevrolet C10 with a big block.